guys.
Hello, guys.
Me and little Miss Sylvie are just about to go on a walk. Sylvie looks super cute. She has her little boots on and her little hat, and she's ready to go.
Yeah.
I think I'm going to try and bring her in the baby carrier. I'm going to see if she fits in it. Alright, let's try it out. Oh my goodness, she looks so cute in there. Alright, we're ready to go. Wow, it's so nice outside today. It's such a nice afternoon for a walk, isn't it, Sylvie?
Yeah, it's right.
It's not even that cold outside. I just can't get over how nice it is outside today.
Is there snow outside?
Yeah, there is a lot of snow outside, isn't there? Sylvie, do you like going for walks?
That is fantastic.
Look at that view. Oh wow, it's so nice out today.
Well, that's pretty. I should really.
Oh my goodness, Sylvie, you're in the snow.
Yeah, it's snow. It's what it's just snow. The extra snow is fun. See, it's so cool too.
Alright, so Sylvie's starting to get a little bit cold. So we're going to start to head back now. Let's take one last little look at this beautiful view. Alright, let's head back up now.
Yeah, it's cool.
Alright, so we're just making our way back up. We're almost there.
The power lines just ruin it. Mama, I should drive free.
Oh wow, Sylvie, are you riding on the skidoo?
Yeah, I should drive free.
You're so silly. Alright, we finally made it back home. And Sylvie was starting to get a little bit tired, so I just let her lay down over here on the chair, and I took off her boots, and I took off her hat as well. And then I made her a little bottle, and I just let her drink it on the chair. Here you go, sweet girl. Sylvie was starting to get really sleepy. I left her alone for 5 minutes, and when I came back, I found her asleep on the chair. Just look how precious she is. Oh, she's so sweet. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Bye-bye.